Is your Xbox Series X getting loud and slowing down? Don't worry, I got the perfect solutions to help you clean your console and make it run like new. Cleaning your Xbox Series X is super important to keep it running smoothly, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it the right way. Now, first, let's start with turning off and unplugging your Xbox X. This is important for your safety, so next you're going to grab a microfiber cloth, okay? And gently wipe down the outer surface. It's going to remove the dust and the fingerprints. You can also use compressed air to blow dust out of the vents. This works wonders. Next, let's talk about cleaning your controller. Use a cotton swab dipped in a bit of alcohol to clean the buttons and thumbsticks. This makes them feel fresh and new. Don't forget to check the ports. Dust builds up there too. Use a small brush to clean around the USB and HDMI ports. For deeper cleaning, you can open the console carefully to remove any stubborn dust inside. But be careful, if you're unsure, it's best to let a professional handle this part. All right? Now remember to regular cleaning helps your Xbox to stay in top shape. So go ahead and clean yours now. If you found this video helpful, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.